Hi everyone. First of all, I took a piece of cardboard. This was from the pizza box. Without measurement I did it, but after some time I will show you the measurement exactly how it is. So I will close this like this in rectangle shape and bring more cardboard to stick over it to make it a little bit thicker to hold the weight which will come over it, because this is actually the base of the project. And then I will cut the curves from the sides a little bit to give it a nice table shape or whatever, just a little bit curvy shape like this. And next step I will cut first of all the bars, which I'm also making without measurement, but in last I will show you. As I said before, I don't measure my any craft most of the time, but here I will do because some people ask me to do so. Here like this I will cut all these shapes and I will stick them together if the cardboard is not thick enough to make it strong. Total 5 pieces we need, 5 bars we need actually. This one is one, and the rest you will see after. Okay, this is here the table. The base is 35 centimeter long and 18 centimeter width and 33 centimeter long, and this one is 5 centimeter wide, and these are 29 centimeter long and 5 centimeter is the width. Here it's 20 centimeter and the width is also 5 centimeter. For all those long sticks the width should be same, exact size 5 centimeter. Here now you will stick these bars on the base of the cardboard like this. After this you will take the long parts of the cardboard and stick them with the sides of the bars like this. One stick on this side and that one will be the other side here like this. This is the back side, you can see now. And here I will stick the rest of the 2 sticks which left here on the back side of the bars like this. I think it's not difficult, it's very clear. You can see how I'm making it, so no need to explain it properly. I hope you understand it. Okay, next step is take another piece of cardboard and here I have a hanger which I want the shape exact like this, so I use this one to draw the shape on the cardboard like this. Exact the same shape you will draw on the other piece of the cardboard as well to make it strong and thick. And here the width is 23 centimeter and the length is 43 centimeter. And stick this piece on the longer part of the cardboard here like this. Here you will take white glue and tissues to cover all of this part, all of these cardboards which is bars and whatever those things. You need to cover it with tissues to give it a texture of wood actually. That's why I'm using tissues, otherwise you can use the newspaper as well. Here it's all dry now, and I will color this all with white acrylic paint and leave it to dry completely. Now we need to make a pot for water. So I will cut the shape like A shape If you have already a pot, you can use that or any glass, but I want to make it like this with cardboard. Cut these shapes around the circle, round circle. You will stick these things, and if you are having problem in doing this, you can put a plastic glass over it to give it a shape like this, so you will have idea where you are going to stick the cardboard pieces. I have covered this part as well with tissues and glue, and then I will color it this green acrylic paint like this. You can color it of your choice, and these are my old pots. Long time before I made them out of plastic. It was transparent plastic pot, so I colored them like this. And here I cut 2 circles round cardboard pieces to put them inside here on this point like this, where I will stick now the flowers. These are from egg cartoon. I made the flowers long time before I made these flowers as well, so I didn't show how I made this in this video. I have used 2 different colors of egg cartoons, this one and the purple one. And now I will use just a little bit white acrylic paint in the middle of the flowers, just to give them a different shade, different design. Okay, these are paper flowers actually, napkins, floral napkins. I cut the flowers from the those ones, and I stick them here with white glue. And the third part I didn't put because here I will stick this pot, and here I will stick these flower pots over here. And if you want, you can leave it without sticking even with hot glue. Here I am using just a black marker to define the pot. Actually, it's not must. If you don't want to make it like this, you can skip the step. Here I made a hole with screwdriver, the thick screwdriver, to hang it on the wall. I hope you liked the video. Please give me thumbs up, subscribe to channel for more ideas, and thanks for watching.